Have you ever pondered the role of mosquitoes in our ecosystem? Those pesky insects that we often swat away without a second thought actually play a vital role in the delicate balance of our environment. Imagine a world without mosquitoes. It seems like a paradise, doesn't it? No more itchy bites, no more buzzing in our ears. But the consequences of this could be far more complex and far-reaching than we might initially think. Let's take a closer look at the food chains. Mosquitoes, as small and annoying as they are, serve as a significant food source for many organisms. Fish, birds, bats, and other insects feast on these tiny creatures. Now, if we were to drastically reduce the mosquito population, these predators could face food shortages. This could lead to a decline in their population, disrupting the balance of the ecosystem and causing a domino effect of species abundance and diversity. Fish, in particular, rely heavily on mosquito larvae as a primary food source. A decrease in mosquito populations could affect the growth, reproduction, and overall health of these aquatic creatures. This change could ripple out to other parts of the ecosystem, as the decline in these predators could lead to shifts in their feeding habits, again causing an imbalance in the ecosystem. It's not just about the predators either. Changing the abundance of mosquitoes could also lead to changes in the dynamics of other species. For instance, fewer mosquitoes could mean more of other insects that compete with mosquitoes for resources or prey on their larvae. These shifts could set off a chain reaction throughout the ecosystem, leading to changes in species composition and interactions. Another critical aspect to consider is disease dynamics. Mosquitoes are notorious for being vectors for various diseases, including dengue fever, malaria, and Zika virus. While reducing the mosquito population could lead to a decrease in the transmission of these diseases, it could also lead to the emergence of other disease vectors or changes in disease transmission patterns. This could have significant implications for public health. Lastly, we must consider the unknown. The release of genetically modified mosquitoes into the environment is a relatively new approach. The long-term effects of altering mosquito populations in this way are not yet fully understood. We need more research to assess the potential long-term ecological impacts of genetically modified mosquitoes, and to develop strategies to mitigate any negative consequences. In essence, while the idea of genetically modified mosquitoes might be an attractive solution to controlling mosquito-borne diseases, it's vital to tread with caution. The potential ecological consequences demand our consideration and respect for the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Remember, every creature, no matter how small or annoying, plays a role in the grand scheme of life.